Welcome friends. Today we are going to develop our first application. To develop any C# application, we need a Visual Studio. To develop application, first go to File menu and select Project. In C# tab, select Console application. We generally use console application for basic C#. We can give also path and name to our project. To give path, select location and then select path for our application. We can give suitable name for our project. In this example, we will give first because this is our first example, and then press OK. Automatically, this code will be generated. We didn't need this code because we are not currently using these all libraries. So we will remove these all libraries. This is the class name. Class name must be same as the file name. We must strictly follow this syntax of the main program because C# is the case sensitive language. In C#, every program starts from the main method. And let's start the coding for the printing message on the console. To print message, we will use system namespace and console class and writeLine method. WriteLine method is generally used for printing any string we want to display. It contains one parameter which is a string. We have to give string in the double quoted. Every statement in the C# is ended with a semicolon. So this is our first statement which will be executed and print hello world on the console. So this was our first program. In next example, we will see how to compile this program. Thank you.